everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making lasagna. Yes, so it's what we are going to be making. So this lasagna, there's a woman in my church that inspired me about this lasagna, because before I don't normally eat it. So until we visit one of our family friends in the church that make it and use it to serve us as a guest. Guys, when I taste it, I said, oh my god. Even my kids, ever since, they have been saying, mommy, you must make lasagna. So ever since, I've been making it. So today guys, I just want to take you step by step of how I make this yummy and tasty lasagna. Over here are all my ingredients. Over here I have 1.5 grounded beef. I have chopped onions here. I have my cheese there, and this is the lasagna I'm going to be using. I got this one from Lady. Yes, I'm going to be using 1.5 package. I have my different variety of spices, and also going to be needing some tomatoes, tomatoes not cube, and some salt. Over here are different variety of spices, nutmeg, or etc. So without wasting much of your time guys, we are just going to dive into this video. So I'm going to be adding my onions in there. I'm going to use half of it. Give it a nice stir. I'm going to be adding my going to be adding the leftover of onions in there. So I'm going to allow it to simmer. So guys, we are going to start by adding our spices, into the sauce. So we are going to start with our white pepper. So I'm going to add my half into it. So the next one is nutmeg. I'm also going to be taking it that way. Black pepper into it. I don't want it to get burnt, so you need to start, This is my chili pepper. This is just like you know, habanero pepper. So I'm going to be adding much because I want it, you know, as an African woman, I want it to So the next stage, guys, I'm going to be putting it back. So the sauce is ready, guys. So we are going ahead, you know, to prepare. Just as you can see over here, I'm just going to be taking it one after the other. Make sure that all the bowl are, you know, I'm going to be adding So guys, this is our lasagnas is ready. It's about to be baked now. So this is the first and this is the second. So I'm going to be baking it for about 30 to 35 minutes in my oven. Then I will show you guys the finishing part. Stay tuned, don't go an inch, and you are going to taste it. It looks so delicious and tasty.